Hello, good morning friends. How are you? Myself Jatin Dave from Shapura School. Yesterday we learned in chapter number 1, ninth mathematics, number system. We discussed 2 points there. First of all is the different type of number sets like a natural number, whole number, integers and rational number. And the second point is rational numbers between the two given rational number. Today we are going to continue our second topic, rational number between the two given rational number. Here in this point we are required a sum of rational number we can find between two given rational numbers. Today we are discuss two example from a different types and we find the 5 rational numbers between them. So first of all, question number 1. Now let's see on the board question number 1. Find the 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. This question is like your text question number 2 from exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 question number 2 we will we discussed in our previous video number 1. Now we are going to find out the 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3 in example number 1. So first of all we can find D. D means y minus x upon n plus 1. D means the difference between the terms. So D is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1. Here 2 and 3 are given rational number and we require 5 rational number between them. So here the value of x is equal to 2, value of y is equal to 3 and number of required rational number n is equal to 5. So put the value from the formula D is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1. Therefore we get 3 minus 2 upon 5 plus 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, so we get 1 by 6. Our difference is 1 by 6. Now we require number as for x is equal to 2 and difference is 1 by 6, then we can find out 1 by 1, or consequently first of all we find the first required number. So put the value of x and d in the formula, x plus d. X is equal to 2 and d is equal to 1 by 6. So we get 2 plus 1 by 6. Now simplify the sum of the integer and fraction number and using the cross multiply method. So 2 6 are 12 plus 1 is equal to 13 upon 6. So first required number is x plus d is equal to 13 by 6. Now second number formula is x plus 2d. Substitute the value of x and d once again. So 2 plus 2 into bracket 1 by 6. Simplify the second stage. 2 plus 2 into 1, therefore 2 by 6. So 2 integer plus 2 by 6. Simplify with cross multiplication and finally we get 6 2s are 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 by 6. Now for the third term, x plus 3d is equal to 2 plus 3 into bracket 1 by 6. Then we get 2 plus 3 by 6 is equal to 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 by 6. Consequently, fourth term x plus 4d. Now substitute the value, x is equal to 2 and d is equal to 1 by 6. And finally we get 2 plus 4 into bracket 1 by 6 means 2 plus 4 by 6. And simplify the last stage, 6 2s are 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 by 6. Last required term is x plus 5d is equal to 2 plus 5 into bracket 1 by 6. We get 2 plus 5 by 6 and simplify on the last stage we get 6 2s are 12 plus 5 is equal to 17 by 6. So our required number we get 13 by 6, 14 by 6, 15 by 6, 16 by 6 and 17 by 6. So now let's go into question number 2. Find the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. What is the difference between the two examples? Look here carefully. In example number 1, we are given a two integers number. We are given a two integers number 2 and 3, both positive integers. And on the second question, we are given fraction forms 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So this question is comparatively little tough. So be carefully. Once again, find the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. First of all, we consider the value of x, y and n. Here x is equal to 3 by 5, y is equal to 4 by 5 and n number of rational numbers is, required rational number is 5. So n is equal to 5. Now first of all we find d. D means difference between the terms. D is equal to y minus x by n plus 1. Substitute the value. Y is equal to 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5x divided by 5 plus 1, where n is equal to 5. Here from the numerator, both the fraction are like denominator 5, have 5. Therefore our simplification is 4 minus 3 from numerator divided by 5 is the denominator, divided by 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Next simplified stage, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 5 upon 6. Now 5 is the denominator of a numerator's form. Denominator of numerator's form, so it turns into denominator. Therefore we get 5 by 5 into 6. अच्छा, सिंपली वे से याद रखना है तो आपको ये याद रखना है कि डिनोमिनेटर साथ में कर लिए मल्टीप्लाई करते हुए. सो 1 by 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 1 by 30. So our difference is 1 by 30. Now require number of terms. For x is equal to 3 by 5 and d is equal to 1 by 3. First of all, first term is x plus d is equal to 3 by 5 plus 1 by 30. Now applying cross multiply method. 3 multiply 30. That means 33s are 90. And 5 multiply 1. 5 ones are 5. Divided by both the denominator, multiply by both the denominator, 5 into 30. So we get 3 multiply 30 plus 1 multiply 5 by 5 multiply 30. 33s are 90. 5 ones are 5 by 35s are 150. So we get 95 by 150. But we know that 5 is the common factor between them. 19 5s are 95 by 35s are 150. So 5 is the common factor which is cancelled out, and finally we get 19 by 30 is our first required term. Now second term, x plus 2d. Substitute the value of x and d. Therefore 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 30. We get 3 by 5 plus 2 by 30. Now applying cross multiplication, 33s are 90 plus 5 2s are 10 divided by 150. We get 100 by 150. The factors of 100 and 150s are 25s are 100 and 35s are 150. So 5 is common factor which is cancelled out, and we get 20 by 30 is our second term. Similarly, x plus 3x plus 3d, we substitute the value of x and d once again, 3 by 5 plus 3 into 1 by 30, and simplify, then we get x plus 3d is equal to 21 upon 30. Same, x plus 4d is equal to 3 by 5 plus 4 into 1 by 30. Finally we get 22 by 30, and x plus 5d is equal to 3 by 5 plus 5 into 1 by 30, and finally we get 23 by 30. So here our required terms are 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. So dear students, I hope so you understand very well both the different type of examples we calculate here and also discuss. Our topics rational numbers between the two given rational numbers here are complete. Here we discuss two questions. First questions for the integers given integers and find the 5 rational number between them. And for the second example, we get fractions and find the 5 rational numbers between them. I hope so you understand very well. Now it's your time to open your textbook, see the exercise and practice this type of question. This form of the questions is rational number. Find the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. This type of question is a very important question for the exam point of view. So carefully practice them. And now we will come tomorrow with the next topic. Thank you and bye.